Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to connect Zelle with your Chime account. Many people use Zelle to send money quickly to friends and family, but Chime does not have Zelle built into the Chime app. Zelle is a separate service that works with banks that are part of the Zelle network. First, make sure you have a Chime checking account and your Chime Visa debit card. Open the Zelle app and start the setup process. Zelle will ask for a bank name. Type Chime, and when the app does not find it, choose the option that says you do not see your bank. At this point, you may be asked to register with your email or phone number. Follow the steps to create your Zelle profile. Once you are in, Zelle will ask you for your debit card information. Enter your Chime Visa debit card number, expiration date, and CVV. This is how Zelle knows where to send and receive money. After entering your Chime debit card and verifying your identity, Zelle will connect with your Chime account. You can now send money to people who use Zelle and receive money into your Chime account using the Zelle service. Thanks for watching.